The battery is okay. And you can see this is the Honda 2003 Accord. It's because the connection of the switch is not good. You hear the buzzing sound. If you do it quickly, it will be okay. Sometimes you will have problem. Sometimes you will be okay. So basically, this switch has problem. I got this from Amazon for around 20 bucks. And this switch is located in this side. You need to remove 2 screws to replace it. But before that, you need to remove this cover. And there are 3 screws in this. So after you remove the screw, you can remove this in, and then try to replace this switch. I think this will fix your problem. I'll see. Thank you.